Someone comes into your life with these extraordinary powers and you feel like you can never measure up. Like there's nothing special about you. Well, you are special, Alex. And you can't afford to throw your life down the drain. You owe that to yourself.
I'm so disappointed in you, Alex. You're her big sister now. It's your job to make sure she doesn't put herself in danger.
What were you thinking? You exposed yourself to the world. I only wish I had been a better sister to her when she first got here.
Before you crashed in that pod, I had a great life with 2 great parents.
I used to resent her.
Now all I have is you, and you are not worth it.
Before you came to live with us, I was the star. And then, I mean, how could I compete with you, with someone
Where's your sister?
I don't have a sister.
who could touch the stars?
So Kara risks her life to protect other people, and she is a hero. And yet I do the same, and I'm in trouble?
You think your father would be proud of this?
I will never win with you.
So, are you and Maggie like,
I don't really need to talk about it anymore. Mom, please. I can't fight anymore tonight.
all those years we spent together growing up, the endless nights talking and sharing, now I realize that they were all about me and my secret. There's never been room for you.
It isn't fair. You always make the hard choice. You look to help others before yourself.
That's what you taught me to do.
Kara?
Oh, I'm so scared.
Are you okay?
So,
Why hasn't it ever been enough? Kara is relying on me. She has always relied on me.
Oh, my beautiful Alexandra, why is it so hard for you to tell me?
I feel like I'm letting you down somehow.
but Alex, you are not alone.
I can't do this without you.
You don't have to.
I wanted you to be better than me. But that never meant I didn't love you. You have always been my superwoman. Alex, you are the strongest of us all.
You're a badass, Danvers. When I get out of here, I will end you!
You are Alex Danvers, and nothing on earth can change that.
You may be the person who jumps the building to stop the bad guy, but you're also one of the most intelligent and intuitive women I know. You're an incredible agent, and I know you're going to be an incredible mother.
I want to be a mom. What am I gonna do? We can't be together. I don't think I could have slept in any other bed last night without Maggie.
But if you pull her out before she has a chance to save her sister, she will never look at you the same way again. I did.
She was about to come home!
Alex.
Why did you pull me out?
Alex!
Why? I can't talk about it. I'm sorry.
Take care of your sister. Take care of yourself.